Hello and welcome to Sktv'S News. You're watching Afternoon English News with Himavati Kumatabam. First headlines. Manipur bids final goodbye to martyred BSF Constable Deepak Chingakam, who gave supreme sacrifice while defending the nation in Jammu and Kashmir. And Indian Army neutralizes 3 Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists during encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Shopian. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Manipur today bid final goodbye to braveheart BSF Constable Deepak Chingakam, who gave supreme sacrifice for the nation during cross-border firing by Pakistani forces along international border in Pura sector of Jammu district. The mortal remains of the martyred soldier arrived at Imphal International Airport, where state dignitaries including Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Rajya Sabha MP Sanajawbal Shimba, IG of BSF along with other high-ranking officers laid wreath in honor of the brave soldier. Chingakam was among 8 BSF personnel injured during the shelling on May 10 and succumbed to his injuries on a day later. He had joined the BSF in April 2021 and was the sole breadwinner of his family. Speaking on the sideline, IG of BSF, ID Singh, asserted that the supreme sacrifice of Constable Deepak in the line of duty will be remembered by the nation. While expressing pride on the valor and bravery of Constable Deepak, the BSF IG maintained that BSF will stand with the family of the martyred soldier and provide every possible assistance. On the other hand, MP Angumcha Bimola Koijam expressed pride on the bravery and courage of late Deepak Chingakam, who have made supreme sacrifice for the country. Earlier, former Chief Minister and Biren visited the residence of late Deepak in Yaripuk, Yambim, where he showed respect and solidarity to bereaved family. Later, in a post on X, and Biren maintained that the courage and deep sense of service of late Constable Deepak will be remembered with respect forever.
बहादुरी से लड़ा। ये जो बीच में हमारे 3-4 दिन का जो युद्ध चला है और पाकिस्तान का जो सामने की पोस्ट है उसको ध्वस्त करने में इसका बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है। दुर्भाग्यवश जब ये अपने टारगेट को ये मारने के लिए निकले, ऊपर से एक गोला इनके बगल में आके गिरा, जिसके कारण ये जख्मी हो गए। बावजूद इसके इन्होंने 2 दिन तक जीवन के लिए संघर्ष किया। दुर्भाग्यवश हम इनको नहीं बचा पाए, लेकिन हमें इस बात का फख्र है कि इन्होंने देश के लिए सबसे बड़ी कुर्बानी की और देश इसको कभी नहीं भूलेगा।
People have sacrificed for the country. India ke damata Manipur macha kaya so India ki glory jet defense ki damata hai da koi contribution adu ki khudam consider party ki service ta to my to me lady the way one how we also very proud of high that con chop from
Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Thokchum Satyabrata condoled the death of BSF Jawan Deepak Chingakam, who succumbed to his injury that he sustained during a cross-border firing from Pakistan. In a message, the speaker highlighted that the BSF Jawan sustained the injury when Pakistan launched a drone attack at Karkola border outpost, where Deepak was stationed on May 10. Speaker T.H. Satyabrata also commended Deepak for performing his duty and sacrificing his life for the country. He further extended condolence to the bereaved family. In a major operation following Operation Sindoor, Rashtriya Rifles, a specialized counter-insurgency force within the Indian Army, killed 3 Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists in an encounter that broke out at Kalir area of Jammu and Kashmir's Shopian district today. The Indian Army, in a post on X, informed that, based on specific intelligence of a Rashtriya's Rifles unit about presence of terrorists in general area Shukal Keller, Shopian, Indian Army launched a search and destroy operation. During the operation, terrorists opened heavy fire and fierce firefight ensued, which resulted in elimination of 3 hardcore terrorists. Operation is in progress. Meanwhile, 2 of the 3 killed terrorists have been identified as Shahid Kate and Adnan Shafidar and were involved in previous attacks. The identity of the third terrorist is yet to be ascertained. All India Congress Committee AICC President Mallikarjun Kharge has called for an all-party meeting to seek clarification from the central government regarding the status of ceasefire with Pakistan after Operation Sindoor. Responding to media queries at Kalaburagi, Kharge said that US President Donald Trump had taken credit for the ceasefire between the two neighboring nations. However, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is denying Trump's claim. He also said that an all-party meeting would soon be convened on the issue. The Congress leader further maintained that when the meeting is held, the opposition party will ask about what happened before the ceasefire was declared and about the telephone calls with the US that Indian officials had. It may be mentioned that yesterday evening, Prime Minister Modi had claimed that India stopped its military operations against Pakistan after the neighboring country pleaded for a ceasefire. 2 days ago, Kharge had also written to PM Modi requesting that a special session of parliament be convened to discuss the Pahalgam terror attack, Operation Sindoor, and the ceasefire announcement made first by Washington DC and later by the governments of India and Pakistan. Security forces have arrested 3 active cadres of proscribed KCP PWG along with 2 individuals who were involved in a mob attack at RSS office of Harauro, Imphal East District. According to police, security forces arrested proscribed KCP PWG member Naringbam Gobin, aged 38, of Wangjing Lamding Awanglekai in Thoubal district yesterday. He was arrested near Dhaka Brickfield, which is located at Khongjom along National Highway 102. He was involved in extortion activities from general public. In another incident, security forces also arrested active cadres of KCP PWG Ashaibam Gopin, age 43, of Andro Makhalekai, and Laisham Sanamacha Leima, age 45, of Sinam Maninglekai. They were arrested from a rented house located at Manipuri, Mercy Lane. Meanwhile, police arrested 2 individuals, namely Haubijam Kumarjit, age 45, of Haubijam Mangangcha Singh, alias Naubi, age 41, of Yunang Kunong Awanglekai. They were involved in a mob attack at an RSS office located at Harauro under Sagulmang Police Station in Imphal East District in November 2024. The authority has initiated legal proceedings against the arrested individuals. Security forces recovered arms and grenades during search operation that was conducted at G. Komunam village under Churachandpur district. The recovered items include 1 Petro Beretta pistol, 7.65 mm with magazine, 1 9 mm pistol with magazine, 1 single barrel gun, local made, 3 hand grenades, local made, 2 improvised Pompey, 2 tear smoke shells, 2 smoke candles, 2 wood piercing cell and 2 cartridge, 38 mm anti-riot. The recovered weapons have been handed over to Churachandpur police station. Security forces apprehended 3 individuals along with 1.164 kilograms of suspected number 4 heroin worth approximately 11.05 crore rupees from New Lamka under Churachandpur district. The arrested persons are Minlun Valfai, age 32, of Gauchinku Veng, Churachandpur district; David Netin Thang, age 32, of Sejang village, Churachandpur district; and Lun Kolal, age 53, of Apollo Veng, Churachandpur district. Security forces also seized 1 4-wheeler and 3 mobile phones. A case has been registered for further investigations. Now, before we move on, it's time for a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Admission open for 2025-26 session at National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Nelit Imphal, Akampat. University courses: MTech CSE in AI, MCA, MSc IT, MSc Bioinformatics, BCA, BSc Computer Science, PGDCA, O-Level IT and CHMT, Diploma in Computer Science and Engineering, DCSE, Diploma in Electronics and Communication Engineering, DECE. Free course fee for SC/ST students. Last date to apply is 20 May 2025. For further details, please contact 8132062261. Register now.
Caesar Hospitals na keyhole surgery pangthorakpa chahi kungamapan mapung pharakpa kumonga mari leinana May tha manungda keyhole surgery da 10% mari leinaba investigation singda 15% amasung general ward bed charges da 20% discount phangbigani akupa marol pizariba mobile number natraga Caesar Hospitals tagi phangbigani.
Welcome back. You're watching SKTV Afternoon English News. More news and updates. Locals of Wangbal staged a sit-in today at Wangbal Palikaithil, protesting against the arrest of a village volunteer by NIA on multiple charges. Speaking on the sidelines, a protester who identified herself as M. Malasna decried that NIA arrested a local named Shagosem Sanatumba of Taubal District's Wangbal from his workplace and later framed multiple charges against him. While claiming that the charges framed against Sanatumba were baseless, Malasna demanded that Sanatumba be released without any condition at the earliest.
Aduna akoi magi sugumba thawongse lekai di nalap amagi mara pai bi sina yaning de hai bado koi hongkong saboina amjabani magonda shi mara la de kani salam ta yaudana mabu thado biro natrabati akoi nalap amagi mara pai bi mayamna akan mamong na kungjan tangse la kani hai na koi resi thongda koi ngasi mayang phamta paudam jari.
Pechi Apunba Lomi Loop, Pal Yaripok Pechi, has drawn the attention of the authorities concerned over the drying of paddy fields in Selom Local. Speaking in this regard, Pearl Secretary W. Surendro asserted that the failure to release irrigation water from Yaripok Canal has resulted to drying up of paddy fields in Selom Local, which cover paddy fields at Yaripok Pechi, Chatangpad and Wangkim. Continuing that, farmers in the area successfully practiced double cropping in 2024 by reaping the benefits of the irrigation facility provided through Yaripok Canal. Surendra expressed concern that the crops this season are on the verge of dying as the canal has stopped supplying irrigation water early this season. He then urged the authorities concerned to release the canal's water at the earliest so that some of the crops can be salvaged from complete destruction.
Multi-purpose project ki makhada Thaban district ki wena ithei lokhong sing pini haiduna matam kaya gi mamang dagi koi gi praja jingi wakhalon da double cropping to hongene haiduna double cropping kumsi sahi asi 2025 asi double cropping mayam ama tawre koi gi Yarpok na koliba Thaban sarangpa na koliba jaga asi adu hojik double cropping gi phok sing asi rogi matik phajare adubu hojik phok salam daida ising tharaktre Thabal canal asi Masina maram warga praja sing asi loksing uriba double cropping tolbi mayam asi mahi saram daida hojik se phok satabigi phibam da leire lekrak chale masina maram warga sarkar gi pungning cheksinjari maram di sarkar na phok satriba asi ising athubada thabirakuna mayam ge awaba ko hun bi haiduna koi hanna sarkar gi pungning cheksinjari.
Aid-raising day celebration of Universal Friendship Organization UFO Sajjal Academy Huyen Lanlong Sintam Sanglen Kwai Nambul Mapal branch was held at its branch office located at Uripok Panchai Maning. The function began with Nongwekapam Dusmanta hoisting UFO's flag bearing marks of Pakangba, which was followed by paying salute by UFO members. Speaking on the sidelines, UFO General Secretary of General Headquarters S. Yohinba informed that UFO was initially known as Scientific Defense Cultural Society until 2002. He went on to assert that bringing global peace and harmonious existence of all living beings is the main objective of the organization. The UFO General Secretary added that the organization has been taking a pivotal role in conserving cultures, discipline and other age-old values of Meitei society.
Universal Friendship Organization na tawjariba akoi wakhalon di kanwa kana malayam sita mi khaki wa na tawa Malayam the Hingiba Tawai Paliba, Ziva, so with the Gina Masap is a Kawusi, by Hatnadaba, I go young tongue, a war without war, I Lan Yaudo Malayam, Sianu Pandamda, universal principle when I saliva, Maminja, Wallaki. Jati putting of the corner, Hajari, I call she Pipuna Salamba, Yam Pazavati Gassi, Ozikia Yam, Musale, Masia Koi, Hingana Bonavani.
Now moving on to the sports news. Manipur team has won 11 medals, including 2 golds, 5 silvers and 4 bronzes at the 13th Senior National Pencak Silat Championship. The championship was organized by Uttar Pradesh Pencak Silat Association under the aegis of Indian Pencak Silat Federation at KD Singh Babu Singh Indoor Sports Complex, Lucknow from May 9 to 12. Manipur's Wahingwam Sudhir and Prem Chandra Yenkom won gold medals at the Ganda Seni event, while Thingbaijem Dayalaxmi and Tokchom Bebo won bronze medals at Ganda Seni women's event. Kaidombam Telhiba, Hijam Marina, Doli Lesangthem, Sanasham Sofia and Suivam Pari won a silver each at the tending event under various weight categories, while Wangkaimim Sadananda and Ahong Shangwam Sarjubala won a bronze medal each. In the championship, Jammu and Kashmir emerged as team champion, with Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh as first runners-up and second runners-up respectively. And in the weather report, according to ICAR Regional Center Imphal, state's maximum temperature was recorded at 28.5 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 19.5 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 91% in the morning and 60% in the evening. Manipur received 20.1 millimeter of rainfall in the past 24 hours. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur bids final goodbye to martyred BSF Constable Deepak Chingakham, who gave supreme sacrifice while defending the nation in Jammu and Kashmir. And Indian Army neutralizes 3 Lashkar-e-Toiba terrorists during encounter in Jammu and Kashmir's Shopian. That's all we have for today's Afternoon English News. Thank you for watching SKTV. Keep watching for more news and updates. Have a good day.